Want to stake Solana with Phantom? Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure you've installed the Phantom app on your phone or browser and have your SOL already in the wallet. If your SOL is still in an exchange, transfer it to your Phantom address. Open the Phantom app and go to your Solana wallet balance. Open Solana and then go to More and then Stake SOL. And here you could choose between liquid staking or native staking. This is recommended because Phantom will choose a delegated for you, and here you can do the native staking, which is the normal type of staking. If you click on this, you'll see a list of validators. Pick a reliable one with low commission and strong uptime. Avoid random or unknown validators. Enter the amount of SOL you want to stake. Always leave a little bit unstaked for transaction fees. Confirm the transaction and Phantom will send you SOL into a staking account. Once staked, you'll start earning rewards automatically. Rewards usually compound every epoch, which is about 2 to 3 days. You can check your staking balance anytime in Phantom. If you want to unstake, just go back to your SOL, choose unstake, and wait for the cooldown period, usually a few days. After that, your SOL will be free to withdraw or restake. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.